You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 11/28. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group like terms. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 8x from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by -6. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 11/28.